How to solve coding challenges efficiently on Cyberdojo. Want to complete coding exercises faster and smarter on Cyberdojo? Here's how to do it. Start by reading the exercise instructions carefully in the instructions panel. Break the problem into smaller tasks and write pseudocode in the editor panel before coding. This gives you a clear plan and avoids mistakes. Type your code in manageable chunks, then click Run Test frequently to check each part. Adjust your code based on the results before moving to the next section. Focus on passing one test at a time rather than all at once. It helps you pinpoint errors faster. How do you usually tackle coding challenges? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can solve coding challenges efficiently on Cyberdojo. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.